trigonometric identities. Here already we know that trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So now exercise 4, first sum. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. First question, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So first 1 plus tan theta will be written sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Plus secant theta will be written 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cot theta is also written cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta is also written 1 by sin theta. So here, what is that LCM? Cos theta is LCM. By 1 is there. 1 how many times in cos theta? Cos theta times. Cos theta into 1, cos theta plus cos theta how many times in cos theta? 1 time. 1 into sin theta plus cos theta how many times in cos theta? 1 time. 1 into 1 into here also LCM sin theta. Here value what is it? 1. Denominator value 1. 1 how many times in sin theta? Sin theta times. Sin theta into 1 sin theta plus sin theta how many times in sin theta? 1 time. 1 into cos theta minus sin theta how many times in sin theta? 1 time. 1 is 1. So here observe here sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta is a 1 term plus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta is a 1 term minus 1. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square by cos theta into sin theta means sin theta into cos theta or cos theta into sin theta. So that is equal to, it is the form of a plus b whole square. Expand that a plus b whole square, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here minus 1 square means value 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. That is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. Already we know that first identity. Already we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to value 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Then remaining value 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta value. Sin theta cos theta cancel and remaining value what is that? 2. Now second sum, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. It is the form of a plus b whole square. It is the form of a minus b whole square. Expand like this. Here, what is the formula? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So, it is the form of a plus b whole square. So, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2ab plus a minus b whole square. A square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here observe here plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta cancel. The remaining value sin square theta plus sin square theta 2 sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta value 2 cos square theta. Then 2 is common. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is equal to 2 into value sin square theta plus cos square theta. identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to value 1. So 2 into 1, that is equal to value 2. Next question, evaluate the following: secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. So given value secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1, that is equal to secant square theta minus 1. What is the identity secant value? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So secant square theta minus 1 is equal to value, what is that? Tan square theta. So secant square theta minus 1 equal to value tan square theta into cosecant square theta minus 1. What is the cosecant square theta minus cos square theta equal to value 1? So cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to value, what is that? Cot square theta into cot square theta. So tan theta into cot theta equal to value 1. That is also, we know that. So tan square theta into cot square theta is also result value 1. Next question. Show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So first we will take the LHS. What is that LHS value? Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square, that is equal value. Cosecant theta value we will write 1 by sin theta minus cot theta value cos theta by sin theta. Already we know that. Whole square. What is the LCM? Sin theta. Sin theta, how many times in sin theta? 1 time. 1 into 1, 1 minus. Sin theta, how many times into sin theta? 1 time. 1 into cos theta, whole square. So it is the form a by b whole power m. So a power m by b power m. So that is writing 1 by cos theta whole square by sin square theta. That is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. What is the first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta equal to value 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. That is equal to 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here write it. 1 minus cos theta whole square means a into a by here 1 minus cos square theta. 1 is also written 1 square minus cos square theta. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel. Remaining value 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That is the result. Next question. Show that square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to secant a plus tan a. So first LHS take LHS square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Rationalize the denominator. 1 minus sin a, rationalizing factor 1 plus sin a. So square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. That means rationalizing denominator means 1 minus sin a, rationalizing factor 1 plus sin a. So numerator and denominator both are multiplied by 1 plus sin a. That is equal to here 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a whole square by a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. That is equal to 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 square means value 1 minus sin square a. Square root of 1 plus sin a whole square by divided by 1 square means value 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a. Use the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to value 1. So 1 minus sin square a equal to value cos square theta. So cos square a. Numerator Numerator value 1 plus sin A whole square. Square root cancel. Denominator also square root cancel. Remaining value 1 plus sin A by cos A. Expand this. Expand 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. At equal value 1 by cos. 1 by cos means value secant A plus sin A by cos value tan A. That is equal value RHS. Next question. Show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. First we will take the LHS. LHS value what is it? 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. LHS value. That is equal to numerator will as usual 1 minus tan square A by here cot value 1 by tan. Cot means value 1 by tan. So cot square A means value 1 by tan square A minus 1. That is equal to numerator value same as usual 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A. Denominator LCM what is that? Tan square A. Tan square A, how many times in tan square A? 1 time. 1 1 so 1 minus by 1 here. 1 how many times in tan square A? Tan square A times. So tan square A into 1 tan square A. That is equal to here 1 minus tan square A into this fraction is the reverse. What is that? Tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A cancel. That is equal to value tan square A. So 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. So first we will take the LHS value. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. What is the LCM? Cos theta is the LCM. Cos theta how many times in cos theta? 1 time. 1 1 so 1 minus. Here by 1 denominator. What is the 1 how many times in cos theta? Cos theta times. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. That is equal to, so 1 minus cos square theta. Observe the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 minus cos square theta equal to value what is the sin square theta. So sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta will be writing sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. Sin square theta equal to value sin theta into sin theta whole divided by sin cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta value tan theta into sin theta. Simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Simplify that. First given value is secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Is secant A with multiplied by this totally bracket. Secant A into 1 secant A. Secant A minus secant A into sin A. Secant A into sin A. Then second bracket as usual secant A plus tan A. Here secant A minus secant A is equal to value secant A equal to value 1 by cos A. So secant A will be writing what is 1 by cos A into sin A into secant A plus tan A. Therefore secant A minus 1 into sin A by cos A into second bracket as usual secant A plus tan A. Here secant A minus sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A equal to value tan A. Already we know that. So tan A into secant A plus tan A. It is the form of A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B equal to value what is it? A square minus B square. So secant square A minus tan square A is equal to value 1. That is one of the identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Therefore secant square A minus tan square A equal to value 1. sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So here first LHS value sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. It is in the form of A plus B whole square. It is also in the form of A plus B whole square. Expand like that. Say A plus B whole square. A square sin square A plus B square cosecant square A plus 2AB 2 into sin A into cosecant A plus A plus B whole square cos square A plus B square secant square A plus 2AB 2 cos A into secant A. Right. So sin square A plus cos square A plus next one cosecant square A plus secant square A plus 2 sin A into cosecant A plus 2 cos A into secant A. Here this value sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to value 1. So 1 plus cosecant square A. What is the cosecant identity? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cosecant square theta equal to value what is it? 1 plus cot square theta. So cosecant square A value 1 plus cot square A plus secant square A. What is the secant identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta equal to value 1 plus tan square theta. So secant square value 1 plus tan square A plus 2 into sin A into cosecant A. Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to value 1. Already we know that in first exercise. Sin theta 2 sin A into cosecant A. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into cos A into secant A. Already we know that cos into secant value 1. So 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2 ones 2 plus 2 ones 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Here, observe here. A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B means value A square minus B square. So 1 square minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta. Here 1 square means value 1. 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. That is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Observe the first identity. First identity value what is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to value 1. 1 minus cos square theta equal to value what is sin square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta value sin square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Other than cot value cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. 1 plus cot square theta equal to value what is cosecant square theta. So cosecant square theta. That is equal to value. Sin theta into cos theta, cosecant theta equal to value 1. Sin theta into cosecant theta value 1. So sin square theta into cosecant square theta is also 1. Next, if secant theta plus tan theta equal to P, if secant theta plus tan theta equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? Given value, secant theta plus tan theta equal to value P. That is given. Given value, secant theta plus tan theta equal to value P. Already we know that identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to value 1. Secant theta plus tan theta value what are given? P. P into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to value 1. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to P is multiplied here. Change another side, that equal to value 1 by P. Therefore, secant theta plus tan theta value P, then secant theta minus tan theta value 1 by P. Okay. If cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to K, then prove that cos theta equal to 1 more K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. Cos theta equal to value K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. It is the required value. Given value what is that? Cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to K. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by K. Already we know that. Secant theta plus tan theta value P. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. Already previous sum also we already proved here. It is the two equations is there. It is the first equation, it is the second equation. Add two equations one time. Add means plus cot theta minus cot theta cancel. Remaining value 2 cosecant theta equal to value K plus 1 by K. Then 2 cosecant theta is equal to K LCM. What is it? K square plus 1. K square plus 1. It is the first one. And next also take the two equations. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to K. Then cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to value 1 by K. It is the first equation, it is the second equation. Here adding, but here subtraction. Subtraction means second equation symbols are changing. Here positive value negative value positive value negative. So plus cosecant theta minus cosecant theta cancel. Cot theta plus cot theta 2 cot theta. 2 cot theta is equal to K minus 1 by K. Then 2 cot theta is equal to K LCM. K square minus 1 by K. It is one of the part. So here what is the required value? K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. So it is the numerator. So 2 cot theta by 2 cosecant theta is equal to 2 cot theta result value what is it? K square minus 1 by K whole divided by K square plus 1 by K. K cancel, then 2 cancel. Cot theta by cosecant theta is equal to K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. Cot theta is written cos by sin. Cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant theta is written 1 by sin theta is equal to value K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. Sin theta cancel, result value cos theta equal to value K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. Example, show that tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta is equal to secant to the power of 4 theta minus secant square theta. First we will take the LHS, tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta. Then tan square theta, tan to the power of 4 theta. Common value is tan square theta into tan square theta is common, so 1 plus tan square theta remaining value. That is equal to tan square theta. What is the tan? Identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan square theta equal to value what is that? Secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 into 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta equal to value 1 plus tan square theta equal to value secant square theta. So secant square theta. So secant square theta I will multiply this value. Secant square theta minus secant square theta into 1 secant square theta. That is the required value.